Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Seat. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Nevada white Seat Ateca FR. Now of course you get full LED headlights as standard. You do also get front parking sensors, front LED fog lights as well. You then get these brilliant 18-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do actually get. Of course, coming around to the rear now, you get your rear parking sensors as well. Into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. You can of course pull the lever provided on either side, which will then fold the seat down. Then coming out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we've got the seat folded down. You lift up and it will expose the part leather, part Alcantara interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all around, full keyless entry and keyless start. And then coming inside the front of the car, you have got your drive select just here, which you can choose between eco, normal, sports and individual. You've then got your electric handbrake with auto hold. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox for your engine start stop, 2 USB Type-C charge ports, wireless phone charging pad, and of course above all that we've got your parking pilot, stop start off, parking sensors off and on, and then we've got your dual climate control just below. Then coming up to the touchscreen display, we've got your satellite navigation. We've then got your various media sources, got your various radio sources, Bluetooth hands-free, and of course we've also got your full link as well. Then coming into the steering wheel, we've got your cruise control options on the left hand side just here, and then just further out to the left we've got your volume. On the right hand side we've got your onboard computer controls, where you can change the view of the display in the middle, as you can see there. And then just below we've got your track select and Bluetooth hands-free. Then as you can see, this car has done 34,118 miles. But jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Seat Ateca, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Seat.